Hello everyone. Welcome to Guidify. In this video, I'll show you how to play with your friends in Left 4 Dead 2. Let's get started. Launch Left 4 Dead 2. Select the game mode you want to play. For this tutorial, I'll choose Campaign. Now select Play with Friends. If one of your friends has already created a lobby, simply join their lobby. If not, click Create New Campaign Lobby. Choose your preferred settings. Then click Create Lobby. Once your lobby is ready, click Invite Friends. Select the friends you want to invite. Wait for everyone to join. When everyone is in the lobby, click Start Game. That's it. You can now enjoy Left 4 Dead 2 with your friends. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.